Hunting was a really important tool for conservation when applied ethically. Deer in particular can be overabundant to the point of being detrimental to other species. We don't have a lot of predators. We don't have wolves. You all are here to kind of help us in our management goals of keeping the population a little bit more suppressed than it might otherwise be. It's the bullet that becomes the predator.
I did a lot better than I thought I was going to do. I thought it was going to be like adrenaline to the max, and I still feel like I'm in action mode right now, so we'll see what happens.
Hershey Ranch, which you're on right now, is the largest privately conserved ranch in Gillespie County. It has a conservation easement on it that means that it will never be developed beyond what it looks like right now. It supports clean air, groundwater recharge. We support an abundance of wildlife, because that's what this is really about finding people that need a comfortable point of access to learn about this incredible opportunity to be a part of land conservation, wildlife management, and then sustainable food sourcing. We wanted to create a cohort of hunters that are kind of learning together, and that are also women in conservation spaces that could talk to one another.
That does happen.
I had never shot a gun before in my life, and I just kind of don't know what to expect. Just trying to kind of be patient. Courtney was helping me a lot and just like really coaching me through it. Once I saw the bucks, I was like, I'm not going home without that.
If you want to conserve and manage for improved habitat for all those other species, you may need to have less of these game animals.
Hunting is a multi-layer activity, whether it's using a rifle or learning how to butcher that animal properly, skin it, quarter it.
And how you're going to be able to provide your family.
The final step of hunting is learning how to cook it.
Unfortunately, hunting is still seen as a barbaric sport, as opposed to what it truly is. It's a reconnection to ourselves, a connection to nature. I believe the most human that you will ever feel, really, because you are plugged in to the natural cycle of things.
Being with other women in this experience, I think, stayed with me the most when all the other women came around me to help and teach me and learn to process and even cook the animal was most empowering.
This program really gives people a safe place to find that connection from that beginning point. So by the time that you get into the blind Saturday morning, you've already sort of formed a bond with the person that's going to be with you. That support in that first moment where you're about to take the shot is monumental.
It's a really interesting opportunity and privilege to know exactly where your food came from, and to have that relationship with the animal and the land.
One of the many legacies of Hershey Ranch is a connection between women and conservation. Mrs. Hershey bought the ranch because Lady Bird Johnson, who was a very close friend of hers, told her about it and convinced her that it was a wonderful place, which it is. Its purpose today is to, number one, preserve the landscape for wildlife, but number two, to introduce people to the outdoors.
Every one of these animals that we harvest were born free and wild and enjoyed a life thriving on this incredible landscape around us. The difference between the ribeye on your plate and this backstrap is freedom. And that animal lived naturally, roamed free, and participated in its ecosystem until the day that it died. This isn't just about food. It's about respecting the life that sustains us and understanding our role in the balance of nature. That is an important part of being a hunter, of being an outdoors person. You're not just viewing nature and enjoying a landscape. You are a part of that beautiful drama.